Hello students, welcome to the class. Before we start with the new topic, students, make sure your book is ready and your stationery stuff is ready because we are going to do the classwork also while going through the video. And if you take time to complete the classwork, you can pause the video, complete the classwork and then you can continue with the video. Our topic is regular and irregular nouns. Get ready with the book, that is Oxford English System Grammar Chapter 1. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. So, in the coming video we are going to see how to form the plural noun. Some plural nouns are made by adding s, es, ies or ves to the nouns. Now these nouns are called regular nouns. Let us see the examples. First we are going to see where to add es to the noun to form the plural noun. So add es to the nouns that ends in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x and z. So the words ending with these to form a plural form, what we are going to add? Es. Hello students, welcome to the class. Before we start with the new topic, students, make sure your book is ready and your stationery stuff is ready because we are going to do the classwork also while going through the video. And if you take time to complete the classwork, you can pause the video, complete the classwork and then you can continue with the video. Now see again the new example. Mango. The word ends with O. So the plural of mango is mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. The word that end with O, I am going to add es to write in the plural form. Now see the next word, the word end with s, that is bus. So what I am going to write? Buses. B-U-S-E-S for the plural form. Now the word end with ss, princess. To make it in the plural form, again I am going to add es and the spelling will be P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S-E-S, princesses. Next, the word end with x. So again I am going to write es to make it in the plural form. If the word is fox, F-O-X, and what is the plural form of fox is foxes, F-O-X-E-S, foxes. So, till now, what did you learn? You learned that word ending with ch, sh, o, s, ss, x. To make it in plural form, we need to add es. Now see this. Sometimes some words ending in o take only s in its plural form. That means the word ending with o, to make it in plural form, we need to add s. Now see the example again. Piano. P-I-A-N-O. The word ends with o. Here, to make it in plural form, I am going to say pianos. P-I-A-N-O-S. Pianos. Now see the next rule. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into a plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. Now if the word ends with y, which is followed by a consonant, so for that word, if you want to make it in a plural form, you have to remove y and you have to write in place of y, I, and then you have to add es. See the example again. City. C-I-T-Y. Now here in place of Y, I am going to add I and then ES, cities. CITIES, which is the plural form of city. Next, see the same example again, country. Now it ends with Y. So, in place of Y, I am going to add I and then ES. And the answer will be COUNTRIES, countries. Now, till now we saw that if the word ends with Y, which is followed by a consonant sound, we are going to add IES, removing Y. Now, if here they are saying the nouns that ends in a vowel followed by Y change into a plural form simply by addition of S. Now they are saying if the word ends with Y which is followed by a vowel, to make it in a plural form we have to just write S. See the example. Here the word ends with Y, yes, which is followed by a vowel, that is E. So to make it in a plural form, I am just going to write S and the answer will be keys. KEYS, keys. Now the next rule. To form the plural of a noun that ends in F or FE, we replace F or FE with VES to make it in a plural form. For that means if the word ends with F or FE, to make it in a plural form, what I am going to add? VES, and I am going to remove F or FE which is at the end of the word. Now see the example again. Leaf, LEAF. Here the last word is F. Now to make it in a plural form, we have to remove F and we have to add VES. So the answer will be LEAVES, leaves. So students, we have learnt about the regular nouns till now, which says that we have to follow some rules which you just saw right now to make it into a plural form. But there are some nouns who do not follow these rules, and these nouns are called irregular nouns. Now see what I have written. Some nouns do not follow the rules you have read. Nouns that do not form plurals by adding S, ES or etc. are called irregular nouns. First, we are going to see where to add ES to the noun to form the plural noun. So, add ES to the nouns that ends in CH, SH, O, S, SS, X and Z. So the words ending with these to form a plural form. Next, a few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. For example, if there is one man, I say man. If there are more than one man, I will not say mans. I will say men, which is a plural form of man. In the same way, if there is one, I will say tooth. But if there are many, then I will not say tooths. I will say teeth. TEETH, which is the plural form of tooth. So our explanation part is over. Now let's do some classwork. Now students, your concepts will be more clear once we start doing the exercises, and we'll do more once this is over. Now, what is the question? Write the plurals of the following nouns. And remember, this is classwork, so you are going to do right now only. Now first, spoon. I am just going to make it in plural form by adding spoons. SPOONS. Next, cups. Cup. So to make it in plural form, I am going to add just S. So the answer will be CUPS, cups. Next, lake. So what is the plural form of lake? LAKES, lakes. Now see the next box. As you know, the word here ends in X. So the answer will be boxes. BOXES. I am going to add ES. Next, the word ends with CH. W-A-T-C-H, watch. So I am going to add again E-S. So the answer will be W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. Next, lady. Here the word ends with Y. So I am going to remove Y and I am going to add I-E-S. So L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies. Next, the word ends with F, thief. So I am going to remove F and I am going to say thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. Next, loaf. Again the word ends with F here. So I am going to cut F and I am going to add E-S. So the answer will be L-O-A-V-E-S, loaves. Next, story. Here the word ends with Y. So I am going to remove the Y and I am going to add I-E-S. So the answer will be stories. Next, cherry. Again the words end with Y. So I am going to remove the Y and I am going to add I-E-S, cherries. Here our classwork ends. Students, your concepts will be clear once you will learn all the rules. So go through the videos nicely and you can also make the notes. Now let's see the homework. Now here goes your assignment. Page number 8. Question E. Students, the time limit to complete this assignment is 5 minutes. We should not take more than 5 minutes to complete this assignment. From the book Oxford English System Grammar, Chapter 1, page number 9, question E is your homework. Options are given to you. You have to tick the correct answer and fill in the blank. Now we end our class today. Now let's see what was the classwork. From the grammar book of chapter 1, page 8, we have done question D and we have done the explanation of regular and irregular nouns. And what is homework? From the same book chapter 1, page number 9, question E is your homework.